Everybody in the house with poor task execution go. It's okay, you're not alone. We're all like this right now. Some of us are like this all the time. I'm one of them. How's it going? Yeah. There's been a lot going on. It's also been a lot of Animal Crossing. I may or may not have filmed an Animal Crossing video, and I may or may not put it out depending on how stupid I feel about making an Animal Crossing video right now. But honestly, all I really want to do right now is just make some dumb little ornaments, so I don't know what this is. Let's do that. Eh.
Let's start with an easy one. We need some teeny tiny wreath bases and some pipe cleaners. I tried not to go overboard with buying supplies for these, so I pretty much just used stuff that I already had, but I did buy these because I thought they were really cute and stupid. Like, look how tiny they are. What else could you use these for besides ornaments? Hang them from the rear view mirror of your car, I guess. I don't know. And because I can and because I want to, I'm just gonna stick a little bear head on the wreath because I think it's gonna be cute. A lot of bear heavy crafts in this video. I sense a theme coming. He needs a bow tie. Although I'm not actually sure if it's a bow tie or if the wreath has a bow. You tell me. Alternatively, you could go without the bear and just glue some pom-pom balls to it. You could also use some weird holographic pipe cleaners and make it more pastel-y. I don't hate it. Also without bear. Butterfly time. Just a standard bearterfly without his taxidermy background. Also bought some tiny stockings. Wasn't really sure what I was gonna do with these, so I kind of just made this up. Stick together a bear. And shove bear into sock. Those are the steps. Pretty simple. And then give him some little hands so it looks like he's sticking out of it a little bit better. Yeah. This might be my favorite, actually. Giant pom-poms. I think originally when I bought these were fake snowballs, but I needed them for a project and I genuinely can't remember what the project was now. So I ended up with a ton and I didn't know what to do with them, and I thought maybe I could just make a really chunky bear who is wearing a scarf because, you know, winter. And then just kind of glue the scarf into place so it doesn't fall off and give him some arms and feet. I kind of like how he looks without eyes. I know that's weird, but I don't know. We're gonna give him eyes. I thought it looked cool. I don't know. I mean, he looks better with the eyes, but yeah. I found these tiny sleds and I couldn't not get them. I love how I said I didn't buy that much stuff for these new ornaments, and every single one I've done so far is something I've had to buy. I need to stop saying things. Anyway, I tried to wrap the scarf around the bear and then add a pipe cleaner to make it look like the scarf has some movement, like he's going really fast on the sled. I feel like that's semi-successful. This one I really don't have a ton of explanation for. I just wanted to make a Highland cow because I saw a picture of one and it looked really cute. So I just did my best. Is all I can say. Mostly, I just glued a bunch of yarn to him and then took a pick and deconstructed the yarn so that it was curly. And then it was a lot of just mashing the yarn into place until it looked relatively passable, I guess. And a pom-pom ball to finish the hat, and boom. And then because I did that one, I wanted to do a plain cow because honestly, the little cows are probably one of my favorite things that I've made. I just love the little cow noses. They're so cute. So this guy started out with ears first, and later I regretted it and had to cut them off and reattach them, but he's getting a scarf and a hat, so he's extra fancy. There goes the hat, and there's his ears on the side that I had to glue back on. He's fine. He doesn't know what happened. It's good. It's okay. And then a little pom-pom bow, and he is all done. And there we go. Are we ready for the reveal? I think we are.
Is that ever believable when we do that? When we act like we're sitting back down? We're not sitting back down. Just giving you the YouTube secrets that you never asked for. Or maybe you were wondering if that was a thing that we do. Yes, we do that. We pretend that we're sitting back down when we've been sitting the entire time. Anyway, it may look like we only made like 6 ornaments for this video, but in reality, it's about 40. Technically more, because I already did an earlier drop last month for ornaments, but all of the ones that I made this week, there's 40. I don't know how I managed that, if I'm being honest. And then on top of that, I also made a few other things that are also going in the shop. So I'm not gonna say this is the last drop of the year, because it probably won't be. I will absolutely get bored at some point this month and make more stuff. But for now, that's everything. But everything is live in the shop now. So the ornaments and some other things. And that is the end of this week's video. I hope you guys had fun with this one. I had a lot of fun making these ornaments. I really like making ornaments, I've discovered. Kind of unfortunate that it's really only appropriate to make them at like the 4th quarter of the year, but I'll just continue to make them in secret during off season, and then maybe I will be better prepared for holiday season, because that seems to be a problem for me, not being prepared for anything, but specifically Christmas. So I am rambling, so I will stop talking, and I will see you guys in the next video. But until then, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I will see you next time.